I'm Jen from Waterfall Beads, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to make a wraparound bracelet using one of my kits. So there are two styles of packaging. There's boxed and there's organza bag packaging. So if you buy a party kit, a DIY party kit, you'll get your kits in a bag, and if you buy an individual kit, it'll come in a box. So when you open your kit, you'll find a little bag with all your beads and your memory wire bangle, and then you've got your photo to copy, which you can copy exactly the layout, or you can put the beads on in any order you like. It's entirely up to you. And then on the back there are instructions, and obviously you've got your organza bag for putting it in when it's finished. So just open the bag. I normally find it's easier if I want to follow the pattern to lay my beads out on the mat in the right order, so that I put them on in the right order. So I'm just going to put my charms to one side for a minute. So these are my charms, and then I've got my jump rings, which is what I'm going to attach them with later. So I'm just going to put those to one side, put the bag to one side, and then I'm going to lay out my beads in the order that I want to put them on the bracelet. So it can be any order. Just going to speed it up a bit. Okay, so start threading the beads onto the wire. So the wire just goes through the hole in the bead like this, and you just thread them on one after the other. And you don't need to worry about pushing them round, because they'll push each other round the more beads you put on. So just keep threading them on like this. I'll just speed it up again. So that's all my beads added. And then I'm going to take my pliers. So if you buy a party kit, you'll have two pairs of pliers, flat nose and round nose. The round nose are the ones you're going to use to make the loop in your wire. The flat nose you're going to use to add the charm. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to use bigger pliers, which I use all the time. So I'm just going to take the end of the wire and clamp it right, clamp the pliers right onto the end of the wire, gripping it really, really tightly, and just bend the pliers up towards you. So you've formed half of the circle, half a loop. And then I'm going to put the pliers back in and bend it again. And that's formed a complete circle. Hopefully you can see that. And then you're going to take your charms and jump rings. These are the jump rings. And with your flat nose pliers, you're going to grip the jump ring with the join just at the top here and twist it open. Hook it through the loop of the charm, through the loop that you've just made on the end of the wire, and then close it. So there's no join, there's no gap there. It's a completely tight join, so the charm can't fall off. And I'm going to do the same with the other charm. Just twist your jump ring open, hook it through the loop in the charm, through the loop at the end of the bracelet, and close it. And you can use the other pair of pliers if you want to so you have a pair in both hands, and then you can grip it and you can open it that way. Some people find it easier, some people find it easier to use their fingers. And there's your finished bracelet. So to wear your bracelet, you're just literally going to wrap it around your wrist like this, and there we go. Really pretty, really easy to wear, and lots of fun to make. And these kits are suitable for girls from 5 years old. They obviously need help with putting the charms on, so an adult will need to help them with that. But apart from that, they'll be able to put all the beads on themselves and they'll love wearing it. So that's a wraparound bracelet.